kusikia kitu inaisha. Jason? Yeah. Some meat, man. Right.
Wood pit barbecue. This is the exact one I wanted.
Ribs.
Sorry?
Ribs.
Yeah, you know that, right? So
Sasa hapa sisi tunaishi sasa.
the chopped brisket sandwich and just ribs. So we wait for a bit?
Yeah, they're going to call your name when it's ready.
Thank you.
Right up for you.
Alright. Huo mzigo wangu. We have the brisket chopped sandwich. Ooh, look at that. There we go. Ooh. Some sauce. The meat is medium rare. Right here, we have our brisket. It's chopped down. Some barbecue sauce. That is going to be good. All thanks to Pete's Barbecue.
Did you ask ribs?
What did you order?
Pork ribs.
Half lamb.
And look at that smoke ring. Look at that. Kenyans will say this meat is not ready. And look at the big smoke ring. It's been smoked for, I'm guessing, around 16 hours. See that? This amazing goodness right here. With a piece of bread, toasted bread. You have that on the side. So you have this and this. So good.